Today's video is our plate rack target assembly. We build this in 14-inch spacing and 20-inch spacing. This is the target plates, the brackets that hold the target plates, and the bullet shield, which is AR500. This is the main rail assembly for the plate rack. We use a 1-inch shaft that has flange bearings and bearings that roll up the target. I'll show that in a little bit. So let's start putting it together. Bradley's attaching our 3-piece base assembly that's common to many of our targets. So now we're assembling the target plates with their brackets. The plates go into slots, move forward. That's the bearing assembly, and you can notice our plates do not hit the reset assembly. They hit a bracket that takes all the force, so our reset assembly sees no impact from the plate falling. Now they're putting on the bullet shield. And that's it. That's the plate rack. Bradley's going to do the reset. We have about a 20-pound pole on the reset. There it is. That's our 14-inch spacing plate rack made by American Precision Target Systems.